Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first nightcap of 2023. I'd like to wish everybody a happy and a prosperous new year, and I hope you get all the things you want, and I hope, more important than anything else, you have a good, healthy new year. Today is the day to draw the Xtreme Plasma arc welding kit. I'm not going to do it with a bucket and all that. I'm going to do it electronically. If you remember, I asked you to leave a phrase, Xtreme Plasma, in the comments. There's been, I think it's 400 comments with that phrase in, and I'm going to use an electronic generator to pick out a name, and we're going to go and do that now. I've opened the YouTube comment picker. Click on YouTube comment picker. We need to copy and paste the URL from the video into that bar there. That's the video. That simply gets pasted into there. And there's some filters. I'm going to filter out duplicates. We're going to filter the comments for a specific phrase, which was Xtreme Plasma. We'll type Xtreme Plasma into there. There's a little sum you've got to do to show you on a robot. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Get comments. We've got 359 comments with that unique phrase. Another little sum. 16. I'm ready to go. Press a button and it will randomly pick a winner. And that's your winner, Neil Adcock. Right, Neil, all you got to do, email me and we'll sort out delivery or pickup of this prize. Don't forget, there's also an RTech Draw running, which is going to be drawn on the 10th of January. I'll put a link to that in the description box in the video, and that's for a complete MIG welding kit. Tonight's nightcap, I show a marine V-twin steam engine that I bought. I bought to restore, but actually there's not that much the matter with it. Little bits and pieces to finish off. I'll show a little bit of that. I've done a fair bit of work on the jet engine over the holiday period. That's on the Patreon channel, but it will be on here in 2 or 3 weeks' time. This turned up to work today into my already cluttered workshop. I know what's in here. It's going to be like a project job. Hope it isn't as bad as the last one I bought, or as good as the last one I bought. I think it's actually heavier. It's certainly well packaged. Extremely well packaged. I went a little peek into here, and I really do like what I'm seeing. Congratulate the lad that parcels are all up for us. Right, a little bit of sail on that and bring a camera in and get a closer look. But I do like what I'm seeing here. I like it a lot. Right, what we've got is a twin cylinder marine steam engine. Oscillating one, or what they call a wobbler. I think it's been scratch built, sort of built from nothing. mechanical lubricator there. I think that's a water pump. Throttle, come reverse lever there. Looking forward to getting this out and getting it running, and then taking it apart and probably refurbishing it. It's actually bigger than I thought. It's not. It's a nice size. I like it. Right, there we have it. A twin cylinder oscillating marine steam engine. It does turn over, which is always a good start. When I pump some oil into it, I put a PCL connector in there, pump some oil into it and see if we can get it to actually get it to run off the compressor. I don't see why it shouldn't. So it's the same principle as your small Mammoth toy steam engines. Oscillating cylinder. I've never seen a one as big as this before. That's a throttle, come reverse lever. That's a nice, I like it. Right, we'll give it some compressed air and see what happens. Just ordinary car engine oil. Do the job just to lubricate the cylinders a little bit. The lad I bought it off did say it had it running on compressed air. Blowing the pipe fitting out of there, it was just a sort of temporary. John, man, you impatient bastard. Oh, I like it.